This is Hal. This is puppy Roxy. Hal owns Burnin' House Cigar Bar and Lounge in Seoul, Korea. Hal is on vacation and he needs to check on the Humidor in the cigar bar. He logs into the OhioIoT app. Everything is in working order. The Humidor is at 72%. Hal wants to check how long it took to receive that information. He clicks onto the OhioIoT speed test button. From Hal's phone in Italy, it communicates to a server in New Jersey, back to Korea, to Seoul, into the bar, through the front door, up the stairs, to the second floor, and connects to the gateway. The gateway will send a radio packet. Back down to the first floor, connecting to the end device inside the Humidor on the first floor. The Arduino inside the Humidor will acknowledge receiving the packet, making it back up the stairs, back to the gateway, down the stairs, out the door, leaving Korea, to New Jersey, back to Italy, and reporting back to Hal's phone. Total trip time, 0.333 seconds. That's OhioIoT.